Hyundai will be updating its SUV lineup with updated design which follows its current philosophy of sensuous sportiness. Already, Hyundai unveiled the new-gen Tucson based on this design philosophy which is due for India launch later this year. Other Indian cars to benefit this update will be Creta and Venue. Both cars have been spotted testing multiple times, and our South Korean auto black Autospy came up with nice rendering based on the spy shots of the Venue. Unlike most unreal renderings surfacing online, this looks promising with details matching to the production spec. The illustration shows a heavily redesigned front fascia with completely new grille similar to the new-gen Tucson and the facelifted Creta. The design retains a split headlamp setup but might lose the square DRL around the headlamps. Instead will be mounted on the top, which blends seamless with the grille. Also doubles up as turn signals. Changes on the side seems minimal with cladding on the doors and wheel arches. We'll also ride on new mission cut alloys limited for higher trims. The 2022 Venue gets wraparound LED tail lamps connected by a thick LED light bar across the width of the tailgate. Also gets bold Venue lettering below the Hyundai badge in the center of the tailgate. The redesigned rear bumper gets new fog lamp housing with reversing light and rear fog lamps now placed in separate clusters. Speaking about its cabin, it's hard to assume as we don't get any spy shots to give us a glimpse, but expect new dashboard layout with updated infotainment system and features. Might also get new upholstery and interior color theme. Powering 2020 Venue will be the same engine options. This includes a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine and a 1.5-liter CRDI diesel unit and a 1-liter GDI turbo mill. Transmission duties will be handled by multiple gear options including a 5-speed and 6-speed manual, an IMT and a 7-speed DCT automatic. India launch is likely to happen after mid-2022 with a small price hike from its current version. Thanks for watching.